might not be the most efficient way. I'm going to show it to you again and really think about seeing those groups.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20.
Okay. Do your thinking in your head and then draw it on your whiteboard.
I saw this. Okay.
Okay. Make sure you have decided how many you have in all.
I have 11.
Okay.
I saw 12.
When your lid is on your marker after you've drawn, give me a thumbs up. Because I'm going to show it to you again, but I want your marker to be out of your hands. Ethan's ready, Kate's ready, Caitlin R is ready. Marker out of your hands, lid on your marker. You have about 10 more seconds. Okay, so you want your picture to look as close to this one as you can. Okay, ready? Eyes up here. Think about how many rows you see and see if you have that many rows.
2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 6.
Okay, change it if you need to change it.
And I make fun.
Okay. I don't want to know a big number right now. I want to know how many rows were there. How many rows were there? Karina P., how many rows did you see?
I saw 2 on the top.
Okay, tell me how many rows. I
saw 4 rows.
4 rows. Okay? Give me a thumbs up if you agree that there are 4 rows. It doesn't matter right now how many are in the row, but if you agree that there's 4 rows. Okay? So if you have more than 4 rows, look up here. Or less than 4 rows.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Who can tell me something about the rows? Something about the rows. Something about the rows. Jackie, what can you tell me about the rows?
The first row is 2, the second row is 4, and the third row is 4, and then the fourth one is 1.
Okay, so Jack said, if you couldn't hear him, the top row, the first row has 2, and then you have a row of 4, and another row of 4, and then you have 1. Does anyone disagree? Trayton, what do you have that's different?
Mine's the same as Jeff.
Oh, it's the same. Who disagrees? Who has something different? Kate, do you agree or disagree with Jack A? You agree? Okay. Brooklyn, do you agree or disagree? Do you think what he said is right? Okay. All right. So if Jack A and Kate, and if everybody agrees, then I want to know how many we have in all. How many do we have in all? 3 friends have an idea of how many we have in all. 4 friends. How many do we have in all?
I have a drum.
Olivia, what do you think? How many do we have in all?
11.
Okay, how did you figure that out?
Well, my picture helped me because I draw it and then I count my 2s all the way down to the bottom.
Okay, so you kind of made some groups of 2 after you drew your pictures. Olivia said she made groups of 2 after she counted her pictures. Did somebody count differently? Kate, how did you count them?
I counted 9 and then 2 more.
9 and then 2 more? Okay. Where were the 9 that you counted?
On the 2 rows of 4 and then the 1 on the bottom.
Okay, so Kate said she counted the 2 rows of 4 and then 1 on the bottom, which was 9, and then she counted the top 2. Mihir, what did you do?
The first time we showed us, I first counted the 3 of them, then I counted the 8.
Oh, okay. So when you say you counted the 3 of them, Mihir, which 3 are you talking about?
The 3 on the top and the bottom.
So Mihir said he counted the top row and the bottom row and got 3, and then he counted the 8. Okay, let's take a look at this picture. Okay, so we have people who counted these a lot of different ways. Some people counted by 2s. Let's count by 2s together. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What do I do now? Ethan? Count a 1, which is 11. Okay? And then Mihir, I want to talk a little bit more about how you counted these. Can you come up and show us out loud how you counted them? Okay, Mihir, how did you count them?
First I counted those 2 and this 1. Then I counted this 4. And then I went on the bottom again. And the white caps were all over the
Okay, so if Mihir counted the top row and the bottom row, how many cats would he have counted first? Trayton, how many? 3. And then he said he counted all the white cats. So how many cats would he have counted next? Green B, how many cats would he have counted next if he counted all the white cats? 8. And so then, how many did you get in all, Mihir? 11. Good. Okay. Great job, guys. All right, I know you have lots of different strategies, but we've got to move on. Okay, so clear off your whiteboards. Okay.